Today we're going to actually be meeting with Liz Cheney here in Sanford. We're going to then follow her over to her lecture where she's going to be talking about defending democracy. When I came to Duke, I knew Sanford had a really good reputation for bringing in some of the most creative and diverse minds, but it's only my second week here and I'm going to be in the room with Liz Cheney, so it's already been somewhat of a remarkable experience for me to just have the opportunity to meet somebody like her.
What I first thought when I heard that she was coming was that this would be a really cool. I feel like we don't talk so much about bipartisanship and we always don't talk about one side versus the other, but this is a great opportunity to really kind of get an in-depth explanation and description of what it's really like to work in these different spheres of politics.
Meeting someone as amazing as Congresswoman Liz Cheney is a phenomenal opportunity. To get the opportunity to engage with them one-on-one is, I think, super unique, specifically to Duke, and especially being here in the Sanford School of Public Policy, her work is directly relevant to everything we're learning in the classroom, so it takes what we're learning in the classroom and puts it into practice, and to be able to engage with those stakeholders, I think, not only informs the way we learn, but I think also shapes our outlook and maybe influences the careers and the paths we may take.